You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Or at least in Spanish, yes. If you want to learn more Spanish names, more pronunciations, stay tuned about more videos you'll want to listen to. Paula. I know in English it's usually pronounced as Paula, and that would be the English pronunciation of the name. But in Spanish it's not Paula, rather Paula. So you have a diphthong, Paula, Paula. You essentially break down into different sounds, different letters. Paula is the correct Spanish pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.